Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So we have right here the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and I've got some cases from Ringke right here. So we have the Air S, the Fusion Camo, the Fusion, the Frost, and the Clear. These are all the Fusion lines. So first let's go ahead and put on the Clear Air, which is this one, and lots of grip. The Air cases, and I'm going to put this Air S on next. The Air cases have a grippy texture inside the device, and it's going to make the phone feel really good. And then on the edges, it's super grippy. It's clear, but it's very nice. It's hard to put into words, but you got some Ringke branding down there on the bottom, right there. And then you got your ports and everything that line up along the bottom of the phone. The camera cutout now is greatly reduced for error, for accidents and everything like that. You can see it's cut out nicely right there. So you sit it down, you're not gonna have to worry about the camera bump getting banged up right away. You got a spot for your microphone up top. Nothing on this side, just a little bit of branding bedded in there, and you got a lanyard spot. And then you got your power and volume on this side over here, and everything is good. I mean, everything works good. You've got a little bit of lip protection on the top and the bottom, and it looks good. This clear case, obviously all the Galaxy Notes now have some kind, except for the black ones, they have some kind of color to them. So rocking a clear case is definitely beast mode, man. And you know, shout out to Ringke for sponsoring this and sending over all these cases. It's definitely a must. So now we're gonna put this to the side. We're gonna get the Air S, which is a black case, and this obviously looks right too. It looks good. Black goes with everything. So again, same setup. And these cases do work with wireless charging. I never test that out in a lot of videos. You guys always ask, but it's a plastic see-through case, a clear case, so wireless charging is going to work. So you've got, again, Ringke branding down here because this is an Air series. You got a textured volume rocker on there. You got the volume power button, and you got volume rocker right there. And all ports, everything's going to be identical. And then you've got that nice protection for your camera. And on this one, you should be able to see the lip protection a little bit better because it's a black case. You see it right there, and then right there, you can see it. So let's pop this off, and let's go with the famous camo joint. Ooh. Oh man, yeah, that's the truth. That is the truth. Yes, shout out to Ringke, man. This is the best case they have. This and this Frost case is just top notch, man. But this case, these four cases are really heavy duty drop protection cases, even though they don't look like it. They're rugged style cases. They're just really thin, and you know this one is going to protect your camera module on the back. You can see the corner protection on these cases. You can see them. And so you've got the branding right here, Fusion X. It's really nice. So Ringke is known for making just stellar cases when it comes to their phones that come out, and these cases are no exception, man. These things are beautiful, just beautiful. You know, you got lip protection, obviously. This case is a snug case. Power button, volume rocker work really good. It's hitting hard. It's really nice, man. You know, you got lay on table design both ways. There it is. So let's put on the Fusion, and then we'll put on the rest of these Fusions. And here's another Fusion X. This is the clear, because some of you guys might not like the camo, and so here it is in clear. Same design. Got your Fusion X labeled right there on the side, and you got the same setup here. Beautiful, just beautiful. This one is probably going to feel the best in hand out of all of these. Like these two right here, these Fusion X's, they feel the best in hand because they have a flat matte size on it, and they're rugged. Yeah. So let's put these two over here. And let's go with the Ultra Clear Fusion. This is the Ringke Fusion Ultra Clear. Again, this is a rugged style case. The other Air is not really considered a rugged style case, and it's like mild protection for you. This is a rugged style case. This feels just like these cases right here, but they're clear and a little bit more low-key stylish or whatever, you know. And again, reminder, all of these work with wireless charging. You got a nice covering for your camera bump now. You got corner protection on these as well, like it's raised. And on the back here, you can see how beautiful your phone looks. And lay on the table design both ways. You see that lip right there, and you in there. Fast facial recognition behind the camera. But there it is, man. Really nice. And if you want to show off your phone, these clear cases are the way to go. Now this frost, when I first saw it a while ago, I fell in love with it, and I love the frost. It really gives your phone a look that a lot of cases just can't do. It just, look at that. This phone doesn't have a matte feel to it. Like a lot of people were concerned about the bronze one because it has a matte feel to it. Let me give it a wipe down. But this case right here, you get the protection of the case. And if you didn't want that matte feel, which I didn't care about that, I wanted this white, but you got that matte feel right there. And this case, folks, is a beautiful beast. There it is. So let's line them up, knock them down, line them up. Here are all the cases from Ringke right now. And this is just a situation where Ringke has so many fabulous cases to offer. It's going to be hard to choose. So you know what I say? Buy them all. These are super affordable. All of these cases together, it's cost of one outer box in most cases, and that's beast mode. So you got a whole bunch of different styles you can do depending on your mood, and you're good to go. This is a classy case, folks. It's beautiful. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.